stealing kids' dreams and hopes, but the government's got us under a microscope. They say it's for safety, but it feels unfair, like they don't see how these parents already care. Don't be like the school bully picking a fight. Stop closing in on families doing it right. If you're gonna change the legislation, guard a child's best interest in their education. You should do it for the state school, private school, primary school, high school, mainstream school, special school, not just homeschool, not just homeschool. They don't know the reasons that brought kids here. Some left exhausted, some left in fear. This rule could let the government take the parents' right, but for the sake of our children we'll continue to fight. Don't be like the school bully picking a fight.